Hello, Abuti. Say hello to the children.
Sanibona bantwana.
What are we learning today?
Angihambi.
Oh, today we're learning how to turn a sentence into the negative. To say I sit in isiZulu is ngiyahlala. But to say I don't sit is angihlali. Okay, stop for a second. Let me explain. Ngiyahlala is the positive form of the sentence. To turn it into the negative, we start with a. Ngi stays in the same place, but we take away the ya. And we change the ending of the verb from a to I. So hlala becomes hlali. Angihlali. So to say I speak is ngiyakhuluma. But to say I don't speak is angikhulumi. And to say I sing in isiZulu is ngiyacula. But to say I don't sing is angiculi. And now you know how to turn sentences into the negative. Goodbye, Abuti.
Salani kahle.